Welcome everybody to the INAV Fixed Wing Group website. That's INAV fixedwinggroup.com. A place where we can all learn and all embrace the power and the beauty of INAV. But now, there's something new. We know this place is great. If we want to learn auto launch, we have a guide for that. Click the guide and there's everything in all its glory. But what if we don't want to do this sat at a computer? What if we need to take it somewhere far away with green fields and beautiful blue skies? Well, now we can. Because at the bottom of each and every page is a link. Click this link and the world is your oyster. And someone has mail. Fresh off of INAVFixedWingGroup.com. Every document as a PDF. Enjoy.